The W1 low voltage error comes up when the control sees the nominal supply voltage fall under a certain percentage of the normal range. This produces the error to protect the control from damage due to the low voltage supply. To troubleshoot the W1 error, we can break it down into two troubleshooting methods. The first one will be with the W1 error coming up all the time, and the second one will be where it does it only during the cook cycle. To troubleshoot with an error constant, start by checking the receptacle supply line voltage to make sure that it matches the data plate on the inside of the door. If this is correct, then go into tech mode by pressing and holding the P button until Level 2 programming comes up, and then scroll over to tech mode and then enter the code 11221122. Then, using the P button, scroll over to T13 and make sure the nominal voltage is set correctly. Use the up and down arrows to make sure it matches the data plate on the inside of the door. After checking this setting, scroll over to T15, line volts calibrate, and set the percentage to 100%. To adjust the line voltage percentage, press and hold the number 1 product button, and then tap the up or down arrows to adjust the percentage. If the measured voltage at the wall is more than several volts away from the nominal voltage reading in the control, we can press the number 6 button and then press and hold our number 1 product button and then use our up or down arrows to adjust the nominal voltage to match what is being read on the screen to our multimeter. Press the number 6 button to go back to line volts calibrate. After making your adjustment, press and hold the P button to exit tech mode. If the settings were correct or changing them did not fix the error, then with the control panel down, check the transformer voltage coming into the control board and make sure we have proper primary line voltage and proper secondary voltage, and it should not be below 24 volts AC. If voltages are correct and programming settings are correct, then in a rare case, we could have a faulty control board. If possible, the control board could be swapped with another unit in the store to check and confirm before replacing. The second method of troubleshooting is when the error comes up during a cook cycle when cooking in pressure mode. Start troubleshooting by switching the fryer to open frying mode. To do this, follow the instructions located at the bottom of the control panel by turning the unit off and then pressing the P button for program, and then press the number 3 product button for frying mode, and then the number 6 product button to set as open mode. Once the unit is turned back on, it will now be in open mode. If the error continues to come up, we could swap control boards with another unit to see if the problem follows the control. If not, then we likely have a pressure solenoid gummed up, causing the solenoid to pull voltage down from the control board. If the solenoid valve is not gummed up, a test of the solenoid coil with resistance could be done.